Hello students, welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video we'll be solving question number 3 from exercise 9.2. It says P and Q are 2 points, any 2 points lying on the sides DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. Show that area of triangle APB is equal to area of triangle BQC. P and Q are 2 points lying on the sides DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram. So we are given that ABCD is a parallelogram. We are asked to prove that area of triangle APB, that means this triangle, is equal to area of triangle BQC, this one. If you notice, both these triangles fall inside this parallelogram. Okay, and these two triangles have their own bases, and these bases are actually shared with the bases of the parallelogram. If you notice, see this triangle APB, the base is AB, and if we take the base of ABCD from this side, from this triangle, taking AB as the base, then it also becomes as the base of this parallelogram. Secondly, if we take BQC, the base of triangle BQC is BC, and if we look at it and look at the parallelogram from that side, onwards, then BC being the base become of the triangle, it also becomes the base of this parallelogram ABCD looking from the triangle BQC. So that way you can say that these two triangles, okay, have a relationship with this parallelogram ABCD. That is, the triangles share a common base, not with each other, but with the parallelogram, each one having a different base, and they lie between the same parallel lines. Again, the two triangles don't lie between the same triangle. It is that one triangle lies between the same triangle. What I am saying is, triangle APB lies between two parallel lines, right? AB and DC of this parallelogram. Similarly, triangle BQC lies between two parallel lines, that is BC and AD. Since this is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel as well. So we'll use the relationship between triangle and parallelogram to arrive at this conclusion that the two area of the two triangles inside the same parallelogram are equal to each other. Okay, so let's begin. Put solution. We say in parallelogram ABCD, this was the first answer. Okay, triangle APB, you can say triangle APB shares a common base AB with parallelogram ABCD, and triangle APB also lies between same parallels, that is AB and DC. So therefore we can conclude that area of triangle APB is half of area of parallelogram ABCD, and we'll mark this as 1. Similarly, we apply the same knowledge. Similarly, we can say in parallelogram ABCD, this time we are looking at triangle BQC, shares a common base This time the common base is BC. BC with parallelogram ABCD, and triangle BQC also lies between same parallels. And which are those parallels? AD and BC. AD and BC. Therefore, we can conclude area of triangle BQC is equal to half area of parallelogram ABCD, and we mark this as 2. Okay. So we have now established a relationship with the triangle, the two triangles and the parallelogram. Now from 1 and 2 we can see that the two triangles should be equal to each other. So we say this implies area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle BQC, and here you can say in brackets from 1 and 2, and that solves this problem. See, so it was not difficult, it's just that we need to know the property of the relationship between triangle and the parallelogram, wherein the triangles lying sharing a common base with the parallelogram and lying between the same parallel lines have a relationship wherein the area of that triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so with this we end the video over here. If you like watching the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.